Welcome to Math 106, Accelerated Math. In this lecture video, we're going to begin with Module 1.1, Reading and Writing Whole Numbers. This video, we're going to talk about the objective, writing a whole number as its English word equivalent. Now, before we do that, let's take a look at a couple concepts about our numerical system. As you can recall, our numerical system is based on 10, because it's actually very, very convenient because we all have 10 fingers. All right. So our numerical system is based on groups. We have a trillion group, billions, millions, thousands, and ones group. So between every group, that's where we put the comma is at to separate individual groups. And within each group, we have ones, tens, and hundreds. All right. So, for example, with the number 4,359, okay, the 4 is actually going to be located at the ones position. Let me go ahead and write it. 4,359, just like this. So when we can line up with our groups, that's exactly how we will read it, and that's exactly how we will write it. So we can write this English word equivalent as 4,000. For some reason, in the Hawks Learning, it does not want you to have a comma here behind the 1,000. So we just continue 350 -9. Okay, that's how we will write the English word equivalent. All right, let me erase that real quick up here. So the next one, let's go ahead and line it up. If I would bring that down here real quick. All right, let's see for this example. All right, 719 on the back, comma, 830, comma, 126, comma. So the 7 is actually referring to as 7 billions, and the 7 is located in the ones position under the billions group. So for this particular example, we will say this is 7 billion, comma, sorry about that, click it off, 7 billion 621 TWENTY-1 621 what? The group name, million, comma, and then this is going to be 38,000, 30-8,000, comma, 719. NINETY. So if you spell it wrong, if you don't put the dash when it's appropriate, the homework, the Hawks Learning will actually count those incorrect. So this is a little bit aggravating from time to time. So you just gotta be patient with it. So one more example, English word equivalent. I think the 6 is actually located on the millions, ones, thousands, and millions group. So that will give me 6 million, comma, FORTY, 41, and then group name, 1,000, 600, oh Lord, sorry about that, I'm touching the keypad. 630. Okay. So a lot of time people use the word and a lot when they speak in numerical numbers. The word and is only used where the decimal is located. Okay, so anything to the left side of the decimal, we cannot use the word and. This is a bad habit from time to, people actually do. So make sure you're not reading this as 630. Okay, there's no such thing as 630. It's 630. All right, that will conclude this quick video on writing a whole number as its English word equivalent. Thank you for watching.